Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learn English Road. Today, we're going to sing and learn some of the most popular English idioms, all in one fun song. Idioms make your English sound natural, colorful, and alive. So don't just listen, sing along, move your lips, and let's remember every phrase with rhythm and joy. Ready? Let's go and learn some idioms one by one.
I spilled the beans, now the secret's out. He's in hot water without a doubt.
I hit the sack, I was tired last night, but bright and early I feel alright.
Catchy, easy to repeat. Idioms, learn them one by one. They make your English shine like the sun. Don't cry over spilled milk, just laugh and run. Idioms, learning can be fun. She let the cat out of the bag, oh dear. He's on cloud nine when love is near.
It's raining cats and dogs outside, but with these phrases joy won't hide.
Catchy, easy, idioms, learn them one by one. They make your English shine like the sun. Don't cry over spilled milk, just laugh and run. Idioms, learning can be fun. When she starts to speak, but once in a blue moon they meet each week. She broke the ice with a silly song. Now they're thick as thieves, friends all along.
Piece of cake, so easy to say. The ball's in your court, don't throw it away.
Burning the midnight oil to learn. Sing these idioms and watch how they turn. I'm over the moon, my dreams came true.
Hit the nail on the head.
That's what you do. He kicked the bucket, wait!
Just kidding, got.
These funny idioms make life worth living. Easy to repeat. Idioms, learn them one by one. They make your English shine like the sun. Don't cry over spilled milk, just laugh and run. Idioms, learning can be fun. Easy to repeat. Idioms, now you know a ton. Keep on singing, we've only begun. Laughter in English, we're all as one. Idioms. Wow, that was fun.
Wow, that was fun, wasn't it? You just sang 18 popular English idioms, and each one has its own special meaning. Now, let's go through them one by one so you can understand and use them in real life. I'll tell you what each idiom means and give you an easy example sentence so you'll never forget it. Ready? Let's start with the first one from the song. 1. Spill the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Example: I wanted to surprise her, but Tom spilled the beans. In the song, I spilled the beans, now the secret's out. 2. In hot water, meaning in trouble or a difficult situation. Example: he's in hot water for missing his deadline. In the song, he's in hot water, without a doubt. 3. Hit the sack, meaning go to bed or go to sleep. Example: I'm so tired, I'll hit the sack early tonight. In the song, I hit the sack, I was tired last night. 4. Bright and early, meaning very early in the morning. Example: she gets up bright and early to go jogging. In the song, but bright and early, I feel all right. 5. Cry over spilled milk, meaning be upset about something that has already happened and can be changed. Example: it's done, so don't cry over spilled milk. Just move on. In the song, don't cry over spilled milk. Just laugh and run. 6. Let the cat out of the bag. meaning reveal a secret accidentally. Example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. In the song, she let the cat out of the bag. Oh dear. 7. On cloud 9. Meaning extremely happy. Example, she was on cloud 9 after getting the job. In the song, he's on cloud 9 when love is near. 8. Raining cats and dogs, meaning raining very heavily. Example, it's raining cats and dogs. Don't forget your umbrella. In the song, it's raining cats and dogs outside. 9. All ears. Meaning, listening carefully, giving full attention. Example, tell me what happened. I'm all ears. In the song, he's all ears when she starts to speak. 10. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, very rarely. Example, we only go out for dinner once in a blue moon. In the song, but once in a blue moon they meet each week. 11. Break the ice. Meaning, do or say something to make people feel more comfortable. Example, he broke the ice by telling a funny joke. In the song, she broke the ice with a silly song. 12. Thick as thieves. Meaning, very close friends sharing secrets. Example, those two are thick as thieves, always together. In the song, now they're thick as thieves, friends all along. 13. Piece of cake, meaning very easy to do. Example, that test was a piece of cake for me. In the song, piece of cake, so easy to say. 14. The ball's in your court. Meaning, it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Example, I've done my part, now the ball's in your court. In the song, the ball's in your court, don't throw it away. 15. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, stay up late working or studying. Example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her report. In the song, burning the midnight oil to learn. 16. Over the moon. Meaning, extremely happy or excited. Example, he was over the moon when his team won. In the song, I'm over the moon, my dreams came true. 17. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example, you hit the nail on the head, that's exactly what went wrong. In the song, hit the nail on the head, that's what you do. 18. Kick the bucket. Meaning, humorous. To die. Example, he joked that his old car finally kicked the bucket. In the song, he kicked the bucket. Wait, just kidding. Great job, everyone. Now that you know the meanings, it's time to sing the song again, this time with confidence. Follow the lyrics on the screen, sing along, and enjoy using these idioms in rhythm and fun.
I spilled the beans, now the secret's out. He's in hot water without a doubt.
I hit the sack, I was tired last night, but bright and early I feel alright.
Catchy, easy to repeat. Idioms, idioms, learn them one by one. They make your English shine like the sun. Don't cry over spilled milk, just laugh and run. Idioms, idioms, learning can be fun. She let the cat out of the bag, oh dear. He's on cloud 9 when love is near.
It's raining cats and dogs outside, but with these phrases joy won't hide.
Catchy, easy, easy. Idioms, idioms, learn them one by one. They make your English shine like the sun. Don't cry over spilled milk, just laugh and run. Idioms, idioms, learning can be fun.
court, don't throw it away.
Burning the midnight oil to learn. Sing these idioms and watch how they turn. I'm over the moon, my dreams came true.
Hit the nail on the head.
That's what you do. He kicked the bucket, wait!
Just kidding, got.
These funny idioms make life worth living. Idioms, idioms, learn them one by one. They make your English shine like the sun. Don't cry over spilled milk, just laugh and run. Idioms, idioms, learning can be fun. Idioms, now you know a ton. Keep on singing, we've only begun. With laughter and English, we're all as one. Idioms, idioms. Wow, that was fun.
Great job, everyone! You just learned 18 common English idioms, and you did it through music. Remember, idioms are not just words. They're expressions of culture and feeling. Sing this song again and again. That's the best way to make idioms stick in your mind. Tell me in the comments, which idiom was your favorite today? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next English song and lesson on Learn English Road. Keep learning, keep smiling, and let your English shine like the sun.